Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Herbscan Body Show. In today's video, I'll be teaching you the most effective butt oil. A lot of vendors won't tell you. Welcome back guys. If today is the first time of seeing my face or watching my video, this is Herbscan Body Show. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do well to do so and turn on your notification bell. So once I post amazing videos like this, you miss right. Okay, quick one, let's jump into the video. The first ingredient we'll be using here is Brazilian oil, which is Brazil nut oil. Brazil nut oil is the same thing with Brazilian oil. Brazilian oil helps with skin elasticity. It helps to firm up to avoid sagging as your butt is increasing. Okay. The second one is volufiline oil. Volufiline oil helps to stimulate fauces in your hip and your butt side. Okay. So how many grams are we using for this? Our Brazilian oil we're using 200 ml. The volufiline oil we are using 200 ml. The next is camel fat oil. Sorry, I'm looking down where I penned it down. The next is camel fat oil. The camel fat oil we're using 150 ml. It improves skin thickness. I have always explained about this camel fat. We have aloe oil, we have elephant duck oil, we have this camel fat. If you didn't see camel fat, you can use elephant duck oil. If you didn't see elephant duck oil, you can use tallow oil. These are animal fats. Animal fats you can use for your body enhancement, especially your butt and hip oil and suppository. Okay, then the next we'll be using is agua gel oil. Agua gel oil, we're using 100 ml of agua gel oil. Agua gel oil is rich in phytoestrogen. It also rich in oleic acid. It enhances natural fat distribution. Okay, so agua gel oil, known as curvy fruit oil, is very much important in this oil. We're not using any herbs for this. We are using all oil. Okay, no herbs, normal herbs for it. Using all oil all through. Okay, so the next we're using is babuzu oil. All the oils I'm calling out are not as famous as you think. I've mentioned babuzu. Have you heard of babuzu oil? These are oils a lot of vendors are using now to make their oil to work very faster. And this babuzu oil, they are all effective, but they are expensive. This is why if you see oil they were selling then of 5,000, 6,000 for 250 ml. They are presently selling it for 30,000 naira because all these oils, some of them you have to import them. This is my paid class, but I'm giving you for free. Okay. It's a light oil that penetrates quickly. It helps the active ingredient like volufiline to go in deeply. This babuzu oil helps because you see a lot of you combine all oils, but these things are not penetrating. Why? Because the oils you're supposed to use to help your active ingredient, which is your volufiline, you can still use mafura oils to penetrate deeply, is not there. So the reason we are adding this babuzu oil is to help the active oils to penetrate, to carry all those oils down to your skin, deep down to your skin, in order for it to clump up your butt and your hips. Okay, then we have ginger. Ginger increases, we are using ginger, how many grams? Ginger infused oil, not a powder. Ginger infused oil, we are using 50 ml of ginger infused oil. Ginger infused oil helps with blood circulation, which helps to activate this ingredient like volufiline for it to work faster. You can use ginger oil, you can still use pepper, black pepper oil. These are very good skin oil that helps with blood flow, blood circulation, in order for all your oils to penetrate. So you have been producing your butt oil and you're not adding either pepper, black pepper, great what they call it, grapeseed oil or ginger oil. I think you're missing it. There are a whole lot of oils like that. So it's not left for you to browse some oils you can add to. Okay. Now we have patawa oil. Patawa oil. Okay, patawa oil enhances the appearance of the volume, the butt volumes. Okay, as you are applying all those things, it's enlarging, it's increasing. Then this patawa oil helps to enhance the appearance of the volume. Okay, the next is, which is the last, is fenugreek oil. We have always been talking about fenugreek, both the seed, fenugreek seed, the powder and all that, but now we're using the oil. Fenugreek seed oil, it contains diosgenin. It helps to boost the fat storage. Okay, what do? You just bring all of these oils. How to produce it? You bring all of these oils together, pour in your Brazilian oil, then pour all together and mix it very well for it to infuse. Then leave it for 7 good days. 7 good days. They're using cold press. We're not using a double boiling method. Cold press method. Cold press method means you are not boiling it. Leave it on the ground or leave it somewhere, maybe in a dark place. Cover it for 7 weeks. After 7 weeks, pour in your vitamin E oil. Understand? The vitamin E oil is very important for plumping the butt side too. Okay. This is after they just package. Then when you want to use this product, make sure you scrub your butt probably 3 times a week or 4 times a week or 2 times a week for easy penetration. Now it can open those pores, those dirt, take away all those dirt on your skin. So this product, this oil can penetrate and work faster. Okay, when you want to massage, this is your hand, you bring your oil, apply on it. After applying on it, then you start massaging upward from down up. Let's assume this is your butt. You massage from down up here, push it upward for a firmer. You want it firm. Okay, push your butt from down up. Then also massage in a circular motion. Okay, don't mention this oil works like magic. I'm waiting for you to drop your comment, your review on this oil recipe I just gave you. My paid class, so for free. My paid class I'm giving you for free. Okay, so don't mention. All you have to do is to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of these videos, and give this video a thumb up if you like, and share to your friends who desire to grow their backside with natural products God has given us. See you in my next video. Bye.